All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back again. So today we're going to show you how we make those ends. All right, so you got the disclaimer. You know how we do it. Passive income 2021. It's on your screen. Read it, know it, learn it, love it. All right, cool. Moving on. So today we're going to move on into talking more about DEOPP. Now, DEOPP is my favorite smart contract right now. It's built on the Tron blockchain. It is the decentralized empowerment of prospering people. I've been telling you about this smart contract for several weeks now. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and review the balance of smart contract. Then we're going to go ahead and make a withdrawal. We're going to show you then how to cash that out to your own bank. So we can go through the whole process of withdrawing from DEOPP, getting that money to our bank account. All right, sound cool? Let's rock it. All right, so we're going to be using a few different sites to go ahead and get all this done. And I'm going to walk you through each of the steps. So just stick with me to the end of this video and you'll be able to see exactly how to get money out, or get the Tron out of DEOPP. Go ahead and convert that into your local fiat. For me, that's going to be US dollars because I am here in the US. So stick with me now. So first thing I'm going to do, as usual, is I'm going to check the contract balance, okay? So as of my last video, I got to go ahead and queued up right here. We did our withdrawal and 100% reinvest back on November 4th. Exactly 1 week ago. The balance at that time was 1,467 Tron. And let's go ahead and check to see how much Tron we have in DEOPP now. We'll go ahead and click on the smart contract right here. We'll load up the smart contract and we see we have 1,476,000 Tron. So a week ago, we had 1,467. And then as of right now, all right, so with the contract balance confirmed at 1,476,000 plus Tron, we'll go ahead and move along to our withdrawal. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see how much we have in the DEOPP wallet balance here. So we can go ahead and withdraw that. And as you know, DEOPP does earn you 3% daily on your total deposit amount of Tron until you've earned 300% of your Tron. So if you deposit 3,000 Tron, you're going to get 300% of that. So you're going to get back 9,000 Tron total. Okay, that's your money multiplied 3 times. Okay, very simple. I showed you my videos. My favorite withdrawal option is the withdraw and redeposit 50%. Now this does go ahead and have a calculation here where we're going to have 2% of that go automatically back into the smart contract first, and then half of that remaining balance will come out to my wallet. Okay, so if we look at, we have 2,642 minus that 2%, so 52.84 is going to go back to DEOPP to pay them first before I get paid. That'll leave 25.89 to be withdrawn, and we'll divide that by 2. We get approximately 1,294 Tron in the wallet as a withdrawal option. Okay, we're earning that as we're talking here, so that amount might change just slightly as we continue to earn, as you're watching me earn live on video and show you guys how to make this money. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the wallet balance. Currently, we got 529 Tron in the wallet, 429 is available right here, and I said we're going to add on approximately 1294 to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that done. Always want to keep 100 Tron staked for energy and 100 Tron available in the balance here as well. That's my suggestion always, and I'll show you by doing this, it makes your transactions go through very quickly and very smoothly for the 50-50 reinvestment. And then we'll go ahead and we'll let that reset here. All right, make sure we got it reset. Let's go back and check the balance now. All right, so money came out, total amount went up. I've got 10 deposits now, earning 3% daily. Let's go ahead and check the wallet. $1,295 Tron. All right, hit the wallet just like I said, 1,295 Tron. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let that refresh on the main screen. Sometimes you got to click it a couple times. Boom, there it is. All right, 193.38. We've got 1667 in the wallet now. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I want to cash out through Coinbase this time. Okay, I've done a video before cashing out through Binance, which is another exchange you can use. A lot of people are more common with Coinbase, so I'm going to use Coinbase today. All right, so check this out. The one thing I want to do here is there's going to be a very cool step. We're going to get into this in just one moment about Coinbase earning more money directly through Coinbase. So I got my Coinbase account set up. I'm logged in. Now, the key thing about Coinbase that I want you guys to recognize is that Coinbase does not support every single cryptocurrency out there, okay? And unfortunately, Tron is one of those currencies that's not currently supported by Coinbase. And if you want to see what available coins are, you can just go right here to trade, and you can type in what coin you're looking for. I'm looking for Tron, and you'll see that Tron is not supported. Oh, see, it's not tradable. Okay, so it does list it here. They tell you what the price is, but they don't trade it right now on Coinbase. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to actually trade my Tron for a coin that Coinbase does accept, because Coinbase is the program, or the exchange that I'm going to use to cash out to my own bank. Okay, so I got to get the Tron into Coinbase somehow so Coinbase can actually send that money to my bank. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to convert Tron into another coin that is supported by Coinbase. And for me, that coin of choice is going to be Algorand. So Algorand is a very inexpensive coin, and it's got a very fast network. So I like to use this coin whenever I'm coming into the Tron or coming into Coinbase. All right. And the way I'm going to do this, and was do this swap here, is I'm going to use another program or another website that's called SimpleSwap. And with SimpleSwap, you can simply swap many cryptos for another crypto. Okay. I've already got it set up. When you first come into SimpleSwap, it's going to look like this. Okay. On the very first homepage, let me see if I can refresh back to the main screen. Um, Okay, so it doesn't matter. So when you first come in, it's going to say like BTC to something else. And I've already gone ahead and selected that I have Tron. So I'm going to hit put TRX right here. And then I want to get Algorand. So I just clicked in ALG, click on Algorand. And now it tells me that the minimum amount of Tron I need to have is 291 Tron in order to get Algorand from uh, that swap, right? Well, I have available uh, 1667. Okay, now I told you want to always leave at least 100 Tron in the wallet, right? So I'm going to go ahead and send 1500 Tron through here. Okay, so if I do 1500 Tron, that will give me 75 Algorand. Okay, now another thing that you guys can do is you want to see how much the value of each coin is, right? So 1500 Tron right now, if you go over to coinmarketcap.com and you type in TRX right here at the top, you'll actually be able to look up the price of any coin at all, any coin that's a valid coin, you're going to find on CoinMarketCap. If it's not on CoinMarketCap, you might want to question using that coin. Okay. Anyways, if you scroll down here, you can see how Tron has been performing over the different time frames. But what I want to focus on right here is this little Tron to USD converter. I'm going to be converting 1500 Tron. That's $163 right there. Okay. Now I'm going to convert that into Algorand. And it tells me here my 1500 Tron will give me approximately 75 Algorand, right? So if I come back here and I see that that's 163 in Tron, and if I go back up and scroll back up here, click on the search box and type in Algorand and see what the value of Algorand is right here, right? And SimpleSwap said it's going to give me 75 Algorand. So 75 Algorand is going to be 160 bucks. So 163 Tron will turn into $160 of Algorand, roughly $3 in fees there for the exchange. No problem. It's definitely worth it. I've used SimpleSwap, never had a problem with it in the 2 years I've been using it. It's phenomenal. I love it. I'll leave a link below this video so you can get it as well if you don't have it already. You don't need to have to sign up or anything. It's just allows you to simply swap coins, one token for another or one coin for another. And we're going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so now that I know I have 1500 Tron that I want to exchange for Algorand, I now need to get my Algorand receiving address. And I want that from Coinbase because that's where I want to have my money wind up. So in here, we have Algorand pulled up. I'm going to click on send and receive. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on receive. And then from here, I can choose my receiving address right here. So I'm just simply going to copy that by pressing the little arrows right there. Got a check mark that it's been copied. I'll jump back over to SimpleSwap. I'll paste this in right here. and then I'll go ahead and press exchange. All right. Now, it's important that you go ahead and you double check the beginning and the end of your address. Okay. So this Algorand address, oh, sorry, this Algorand address I got from Coinbase begins with a SA6 and it ends with a 2PQ. If I jump back over to my SimpleSwap, I see that I'm telling SA6 2PQ is my Algorand address. So simply, SimpleSwap tells me if I send 1500 TRX to this address right here, then they will convert that or swap that to 75.26 Algorand and send that to this address, which is my Coinbase address here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that done. So I'm going to copy this address because that's where I need to send my 1500 TRX to. I'm going to go to my wallet where I have my 1500 TRX right here. I'm going to click on send. I'm going to paste in that address I just copied. I'm going to pop down here to the available amount that I want to send, 1,500 Tron. I'll tab down. It'll go ahead and tell me if there's any associated fees with that. The fee is going to be 1 Tron there, no big deal. And so I'll go ahead and press send. And then I'll go ahead and confirm that I want to send from my wallet to this address. Again, checking, I'm going to send it to 2K4, ending in GM1, ending in GM1. All right, we're good. We'll go ahead and we'll sign that. All right, and then that's confirming. Wait for that to go ahead and send. All right, it's been sent. Okay, so now that that has been sent successfully, the 1500 Tron has been successfully sent to SimpleSwap. All I got to do now is wait for SimpleSwap to receive the Tron, confirm they have the right amount, exchange it for the right amount of Algorand, and then send that Algorand to my Coinbase account, which will be this link right here, and then we'll be finished. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video, allow us about 5 to 10 minutes for it to go ahead and finish the swapping here, depending on the network speeds, and we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Now, while we're waiting on that swap to go through, I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the benefits of using Coinbase. One of the benefits is that you can actually get free Bitcoin when you first sign up. I'll leave a link below this video, and you'll see here that by joining with me, you'll get $10 of Bitcoin, and it's very easy to do. So when someone you both receive $10 in Bitcoin when they sign up using your link, and you just have to buy or sell 100 or more in Coinbase. Okay, very simple. So I'll leave the referral link below this video so you can go ahead and get that. But one of the things, the reason why I wanted to show you this as well is along with this, the free money that Coinbase gives you for just signing up with Coinbase, they also right now in November they have this promotion where you can get more money. You can earn $500,000 in prizes. So if you click learn more right here, you'll see what they're doing is a sweepstakes basically. And I've already enrolled. It's you just have to be logged in. You click on the button and you're enrolled. It's that simple. And then it says that I've successfully opted in to my trading sweepstakes. Remember, you still need to buy or sell 100 total dollars, including fees, in any crypto on Coinbase by November 23rd, 2021 for a chance to win. Okay, so it's that simple. So it's a second reason why I'm using Coinbase to go ahead and get this taken care of here. So once we get the money, the Algorand into Coinbase, we're going to go ahead and we're going to sell that for US dollars. And then we're going to go ahead and actually cash that out to our bank account. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done. All right, so our exchange has been completed and the 75 Algorand has been sent to Coinbase. Let's go ahead and go back to Coinbase, refresh, and then we'll see here, here's our Algorand. Click on that, and we see we just received the 75.19 Algorand. All right, cool. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cash that out to our bank. So we're going to click on buy and sell. I'm going to sell my Algorand. I want to sell all of it right now. And oh, another thing on here is that Algorand does actually, if you decide to keep Algorand on the Coinbase website, it will actually earn 4.0 APY. So you actually earn rewards of Algorand by just holding it here on Coinbase. The same for Tezos and some other coins as well. So if you decide to keep Algorand on the site, you will actually earn some profits just from holding it here or hodling it, however you want to say that term. So we'll go ahead and we'll click buy and sell. We're going to choose to sell, and we're going to go with, oh, let's do it this way. So like I said, we'll close this. We'll click back into Algorand first. Click buy and sell. We're going to sell all that Algorand, and we're going to sell that for all of it for USD. There will be a Coinbase fee of $2.99, and that's okay. We're going to go ahead and sell that now. Wait for that to process, and sold. Okay, so now that we have that sold, we can go ahead and click on cash out funds. So we'll click cash out, and then this will bring us to our page for cashing out our funds from in our US dollars, because I did select for US dollars. I'm going to go ahead, and if I scroll down, you can see here that I have $158 in cash to cash out. So I'll go ahead and I'll select cash out there. I'll press continue. I'm then going to go ahead and select where I want the money to go to. Now, you have a couple of choices here. You can go ahead and send it to your Visa debit card instantly for a fee, or you could go ahead and send it to your bank for free if you want to wait on it. I want to go ahead and I want to get my money now. And I've tested this. It is an instant transaction, so the word instant here is legit. This was the fee you'll pay for that to make sure it's instant. If you don't want to pay the fee for whatever reason, because the fee will fluctuate based on times, market conditions, and the amount of currency you're cashing out. But if you don't want to use a fee, you can choose the bank option, routing number and account number, and that will be free, no service of any kind of fees, but it will take a little longer, 1 to 3 business days. I personally am going to do this option right here, and then I'm going to press continue. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to review. I'm going to send this to this bank. The funds will arrive instantly. The cash out amount will be 155. The fee is 237, and that will consume my whole 158.32. We'll go ahead and we'll cash out now. It does say transfer speeds depend on your bank and could take up to 30 minutes. I've already tested this, and it went through instantly. Okay, so this will go ahead and send you a two-step verification. Let's go ahead and grab that real quick from our phone. 2FA, and that gets text to your phone as a text message, so you don't have to have necessarily 2FA turned on, because this is going to be a two-step text code sent to you. So let's grab that right now. All right, so I've got my code here that was text to me. I'll confirm that. Your cash out request was sent. We'll notify you your cash is on the way, 155.95. And just like that, it's gone. Money's to my bank. It's going into the bank account, and it's a lovely thing. So now you've seen exactly how to cash out from the smart contract, take that Tron, convert it into a currency that can be used on the exchange that you want to use to cash out. I chose to convert my Tron to Algorand, and then I went ahead and cashed out that Algorand to my checking account that I have linked already with Coinbase. And because I went ahead and opted into the special promotion Coinbase is going through now, then I will go ahead and get enrolled into their sweepstakes to potentially earn more money from Coinbase. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Brian Farrell showing how to get that passive income for 2021. Cash it out to your bank. Let's get paid. Let's get that money. Rewind the video. Watch it again. Hit on all the fine points I have there. If you have any questions about what I just showed you, go ahead and drop me a comment below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about DEOPP or the cash out process here as well. Go ahead hit the like button, because I know you love making that passive income just like I do. And thank you very much for supporting my channel. Also hit that subscribe button so you get added to my YouTube channel and get notified each and every time I make the YouTube videos by smashing that bell icon, so you get a notification when I drop that new video to make the passive income here in 2021. All right, this is Brian Farrell signing out. Once again, get that DEOPP, get that passive money, baby, and let's rock and roll. Peace.